What is up, Power Stoke Nation? My name is Austin and you are watching the Power Stoke YouTube channel. Today, of all days, I'm not wearing my sunglasses. I'm at the dunes. I'm at Sand Lake Sand Dunes. And my God, is it absolutely beautiful. We're out here ripping around on our Hondas. I'm gonna get some footage of this because you know what? This is a fun weekend. I've been working like crazy. I have one day off. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna go ride. It's time for a haircut. So I don't know if you guys can hear me right now, but as you can see, my dad's on a Honda 440EX. I'm on a Honda 400EX. These things rip. We're on knobbies. We're not even on paddles out here. And man, these things grip and they go. I was in fifth gear, coming back here to stop to grab the GoPro. I know, I'm sorry guys. I've already been out there and I didn't film. Oh well. Man, his gloves. Just go on. Ah! Okay. I know. He's ready to go. Truck's armed. Let's do this. I wouldn't think so. Oh no! It broke! No, you're not. No, you're not. What? We can fix that. You alright? A little sand? Get a little sand? This is some like sticky stuff. Plastics are still good.
I came over and I caught that.
Oh! What's up, everybody? So now I'm back from riding. I'm super tired. I'm super plugged for some reason. As soon as we got back into Salem, I got sick and I've just been plugged and runny nose and headache. It's weird. It's so weird. It literally happened as soon as I pulled back into Salem. But anyways, we're back from riding. It was a phenomenal day. My dad wrecked twice, which is really funny. He was fine both times. The bike has no damage. Everything is fine with the bike. It's been an absolute blast today, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little different than normal. And look out for next week. Next week's going to be the Q&A video. I really hope you guys enjoyed that too. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.